Great success.
Check, check, check.
Hello, welcome back to our program. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been around, welcome back.
Oh, this thing's on?
We are in the middle of some jeeping around.
Yeah.
We just got the front spring mounts tacky pooed up. And so we were gonna do a little macaroni of the big block here. See how much compression we get out of these springs. Know what I'm saying? Right now they're just tacked and clamped because, well, I guess I don't need this helmet. Why did I just put this helmet on? All right. Looks like we have plenty of room for activities, as the kids say, huh? And
Is that power tools? Do I hear power tools? What's that?
what you talking about, Willis? Let's just be ready to run in case that flipping, it shouldn't, but it might.
It's from a movie.
Oh. Here we go. They say these things are heavy.
Tail shaft my way.
Sure. Are we high enough?
Yeah.
Should I take it higher? Go back. Should we put it in there the right way? Probably can't, huh? Let's maybe scooch her back this way. Nope. Yep. That's good. Oh, right there. Oh my goodness. Relax. Oh. Yeah. Yeah.
That's
Oh.
right. That's right about where you were thinking, wasn't it?
Yeah, pretty much. Whoop, look out here. All right, let's put this lever.
Clamp.
Whoop, clamp, if we can. Cheese and rice.
Well, it's on the oil pan now. If that's good or bad, but.
I'd say that puts us at about where we want to be, yeah?
Yep.
Yeah. Huh? 10, maybe an inch lower.
Well, that's.
Try to move it up an inch. We're gonna need to have something clamped across the back, you know. Yeah, that ain't gonna put any weight on the frame though.
Yeah, that's. I was trying to think of ways too, but it's like.
All right, here we go, a moment of truth. Hold on to your hats.
Ooh.
Spring ding ding.
Just leave the shocks out or we get running off the ground.
Okay, well, yeah, that definitely needs a Panhard bar.
A what?
Panhard bar,
Yeah, yeah.
because definitely going kitty wampus.
The chain.
Oop, oh. Oh, what a dirty. Stand back, Riley, stand back, stand back.
How many of those foreign coffees have you had today? Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yes is the answer. Your way?
Yeah, we'll go back to the Pilat.
Okay. Is that, must be Italian.
Yeah. Okay.
I gotta set my wood back up here. Nope. Oakley dokley there.
Well,
That's a success.
great success.
Oh, you're on the peach Red Bulls, huh? Ooh, peach nectarine. I can't say that, can I?
I don't know, why not? That's what it is, right?
Yeah, I suppose.
Did I lose my mic? Yep, I lost her. It was hanging down on my shirt.
Yeah, that's. I was trying to think of ways too, but it's like.
All right, so Mike's gonna sit down for a second.
Dear
Great success.
anyone want a stick?
Yes.
What kind?
So, so I can just put that on the table and build it on the table, essentially. Whoops. I'm gonna put that, break those tacks off,
Ah,
and then
yeah, then you can just, like you said, take a piece of 1 inch, and that'll move it down the inch you need.
yeah, I think we're 27 and a half on center, right?
Yeah. Oh, that's great.
Okay. Yeah. Holy sh!
Huh. It's amazing that that side flexed easier than this side, but this side you popped off easier.
Ah, that frame just looks crooked as shit still. Okay. Suppose we're square. Good, right? Send it.
Let's see what it is. As long as the numbers are coming up.
Piece of 4-inch by 3-inch.
dinked around some.
Maybe it's the valve that's making it that way. Oh yeah! Whoa! Ah, whoa. Cameraman's getting in on the action now. And the old man. Close to where you want it.
Where are you sitting there?
Yeah,
knee, you know?
Oh, yeah. That's good. That's like moving surprisingly little. It's that clamp right here.